Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Speak English Daily, the podcast where learning English feels simple, natural, and fun. Today's topic is something we all experience every single day: feelings and emotions. Knowing how to express your feelings in English helps you sound natural and confident. It also makes conversations real, emotional, and meaningful.
That's so true. Think about it. If someone asks, "How are you?" and you only say, "I'm fine" every time, it sounds a little robotic, right? But if you say, "I'm a bit tired" or "I'm really happy today," you sound more expressive and more like a native speaker. So in today's episode, we'll cover real-life conversations, useful emotion vocabulary, grammar and pronunciation tips, and mini role plays for practice. Let's begin.
Let's start with a positive one: happiness.
A. You look so happy today. B. Yeah, I just got a new job. I'm so excited. Here are some natural ways to express happiness. I'm so happy. I'm really excited. I feel amazing. That made my day. I'm in a good mood. That made my day means something made you feel good. For example, your message made my day. That compliment really made my day. You can also say, I'm on top of the world. I can't stop smiling. Pronunciation tip. Happy is pronounced h-a-p-e, happy. Try saying, I'm really happy today.
Now let's move to another common emotion: being tired or bored. A. You look tired. Didn't you sleep well? B. Yeah, I was up all night finishing a project. I just want to rest. Common phrases for feeling tired are: I'm so tired. I didn't sleep well. I'm exhausted. I could use a nap. I just need a break. And when you're bored, I'm bored. There's nothing to do. I want to do something fun. This movie is so boring. Be careful. I'm bored means you feel bored. It's boring means something makes you bored. Example: I'm bored because this class is boring.
Now let's talk about sadness. A. You seem a bit down today. What's wrong? B. I had an argument with my best friend. I feel really sad. Useful phrases for sadness: I feel sad. I'm upset. I'm feeling down. I'm heartbroken. I'm disappointed. When someone tells you bad news, respond kindly. I'm sorry to hear that. That sounds tough. I hope you feel better soon. Do you want to talk about it? These phrases show empathy. Using them makes your English warm and emotional.
Now let's look at anger and frustration. What happened? You look upset. My computer crashed again. I lost all my files. You can say, I'm angry. I'm really annoyed. I'm frustrated. This is driving me crazy. I can't believe this happened. In polite English, tone is important. At work or school, say, I'm a bit frustrated right now. Pronunciation tip. Angry is angry. Try saying, I'm really angry about this.
Now let's look at fear or nervousness. A. I have a job interview tomorrow. I'm so nervous. B. You'll do great. Just relax and be yourself. Phrases for fear or nervousness are: I'm scared. I'm nervous. I'm worried. I feel anxious. I'm shaking. Supportive replies: don't worry. You'll be fine. Take a deep breath. I believe in you. This type of language is great for showing care and confidence.
Now let's talk about surprise. A. Guess what? I just won a free trip. B. Wow, are you serious? That's amazing. Common phrases for surprise are, wow, really? No way. You're kidding. That's unbelievable. I can't believe it. You're kidding often means, really? Or I'm surprised.
Now let's cover confusion. A. I don't understand this grammar rule. B. Sure, it's about using the present perfect tense. When you don't understand something, say, I'm confused. I don't get it. What do you mean? Can you explain that again? If you are curious, you can say, I'm curious about that. Tell me more. That sounds interesting.
Now let's talk about grammar for a moment. We usually say, I feel or I am before emotions. Examples, I feel happy. I feel tired. I am angry. I am scared. Do not say, I'm feel happy or I am headache. Say, I have a headache because headache is not an emotion.
Now let's practice linking and pronunciation. Say it smoothly. I'm feeling tired today. I'm so happy for you. I'm a bit nervous. When native speakers talk fast, they connect words. Practice with rhythm and flow.
Now let's review all the feelings we learned today. Happy, excited, tired, bored, sad, angry, upset, nervous, scared, surprised, confused, curious, and some advanced ones. Disappointed, frustrated, relieved, proud. Examples, I'm so proud of you. I feel relieved that the exam is over.
Let's do a short role play. Repeat after us. How are you feeling today? I'm feeling great. How about you? I'm a little tired, but very happy to be here. That's awesome. I'm so excited for the weekend. Now, try it again. This time, say it with emotion. Let's do a quick quiz. I'll say a sentence and you guess the emotion. I can't stop smiling. I didn't sleep at all last night. Oh no, I lost my phone. I just got a promotion at work. I'm not sure I understand this. Answers: 1. Happy. 2. Tired. 3.